Now, many people have a lot of mood swings in their life. Now, many people have a problem, they get mood swing, they get irritated, they in fact pick up a fight, they have a lot of problem with the emotional part of their life. Now, in my young days, I also had a lot of problem with the emotional part of it. There used to be a lot of fights in the house, there used to be a lot of misunderstanding in the house, and I could not figure it out because I wanted to actually predict exactly the what you call it, the timing in which everything would happen across as a person. I found it very, very difficult, and slowly I started noticing an pattern. The pattern was so clear, I started using the tithis and the nakshatras, and I was able to come to a comprehensive solution how to predict the pattern. Because, for example, my father used to get disturbed, my mother used to get disturbed, my brother used to get disturbed. A lot of people were get disturbed. That is, every day they used to get disturbed. It was not like overnight they were getting disturbed, or once in a while. They used to get disturbed every day, and there was no pattern I was able to decipher across. So, following things are the first thing. So, in fact, the Indians talk about it very, very clearly. They say it is the Viparita Kale Vinasa Buddhi. Now, whenever the time is very, very negative, the mind becomes very negative, mind becomes very, very destructive. Now, there are two vortexes in the world, the white vortex and the black vortex. Actually, if you see, during the bad time, the black vortex opens into the humanity. Now, many people have mood swing, they have negative thought, they have exaggerated negativity, they are unable to focus, their mind goes again and again on negativity, and they are very, very disturbed about it. Now, please understand, this is not a concept what you think is what you are. What I am telling is there are vortex which opens up, and these vortex actually influences the human mind and the human behavior as a person, and this can be predicted in a very, very consistent manner. So many people think, oh, it is because of my thinking I'm getting disturbed. No, it is not because of that alone. For example, one of the pattern I had noticed time and again was the Tithi pattern. Now, whenever there was Ashtami, Navami, for example, Trayodasi, Sashti, Pratipada, Amavash, Purnima, now many people I have seen who has a very regular mood swing. That is why now this I went and told somebody across, and that man was so shocked because he was working in Scarf, and he wrote the thing about Amavasya and Purnima. He had taken the 2 days and he had checked the mood swing of all these people. He found out consistently that these people had a lot of mood swing. In fact, it had become so famous in Scarf that because of Amavash, the patient will be very violent, very disturbed. Therefore, you have to give some strong medicine across. So the Tithi plays such a pivotal role in a people's mood swing. That is why we celebrate the ancestors' worship by using the Tithi across as a person. which is very very important. A lot of people do not know that Tithi has such a influence on people's life. I also noticed one thing. For example, my father had died in Trayodasi, Tritiya, and my mother had died in Trayodasi and all. These are the time, many times I felt there was a mood swing. So you can take the elderly people, your father, your mother, your grandfather, your grandmother, note down the time in which they passed away, especially the tithi in which they have passed away, month on month. If the soul is very disturbed, if the soul has not come into the higher state of evolution, now this is very very common. They will have mood swing, they will have disturbances, they will have a lot of problem. Now today is supposed to be Bhairav Ashtami. In fact, I told my priest who are working in the office, like a lot of people will have mood swing, they will have negativity, and they will get very very disturbed across. In fact, they all concluded yes, they were having tough time emotionally across. The other important factor is the day. Normally Tuesdays and Saturdays are very very disturbing for many people. If suppose the Ashtami, Navami combines with a Tuesday and a Saturday across, you will see that many people have a very very disturbed mood. So in fact the Bhairava Ashtami coincided with the Tuesday, so many people have a strong mood swing. So if there are many multiple factors, the influence is very strong. If there are less and less factors, the influences are weak. So therefore, please check during Tuesdays and Saturdays that many people have a mood swing into their life. In fact, people get very angry, people get very upset, especially the Rahu Kala has a tremendous influence in people's life. If it is supposed to be Ashtami, Rahu Kala, and a Tuesday, or Ashtami, Saturday, and it's a Rahu Kala, you'll have a lot of problem. It was my surprise that when I did the research on suicide bombers, most of the bombing had taken place in the Ashtami Navami, and most of the planning had taken in the Ashtami Navami. In fact, some of the biggest terror threats and biggest death of the people has happened in Tuesday, Saturday, Ashtami, Navami, Shashti, Trayodasi, Amavasya and Pratipada. Now the third thing is in Calcutta it's called Bharbela, and in India it's called Raukala. Raukala is the opening of the black vortex which comes as very thick in that time. If you see time as a vortex, and you can see a lot of lower forces which comes into play, and these people are very disturbed. Normally there is a mood swing, there is a disturbance in the thing. If the tithi, if the day is also Vara, is also a problem. The next most important factors which has to be considered is the Ragu Nakshatra. If suppose it happens on Swati, Arudra, Sataya, that happens to be a Tuesday and an Ashtami, lot of people will have tremendous mood swing, misunderstanding and fighting across. the Freudian theory that you are responsible for your thought, you are responsible for your thinking is not at all true. This many people don't want to accept because their ego wants to identify and they think they can think. No, you have been thought through. If the time vortex hits your head, the black vortex hits your head, your mind will go into vipraya, the negative spin across, and you will have a lot of mood swing into your life. So please be careful about this. Now you need to learn astrology, you need to understand astrology to employ this technique. At least you need to know the tithi and the nakshatra. And also the other one is, I have seen a lot of accidents happening in Lagna Sandhi, Nakshatra Sandhi, Tithi Sunya, but those are very, very advanced form of doing thing. So please understand that people have a lot of mood swing during the negative tithis and especially the negative days, and it's not like all the time is the same. That time has a quality. The quality of that time can be seen very, very clearly using the Vedic astrology as a person. Now, many people are not aware. They think astrology is a silly superstition and probably planets don't influence. No, it is called Griha. Griha in Sanskrit means influencer. When the Saturn transit, when the Jupiter transit, there happens a lot of changes in the person's life, but there is a variation. It happens in 2 months, it happens in 3 months. In fact, the COVID in India coincided very close to a Saturn transit. In fact, the entire world was celebrating the Saturn transit, and within 2 months, the COVID had come across. So somebody asked me, I told no, the Saturn has to move out across the person. So therefore, it is very important to understand these tithis have such a profound impact on the emotional body of the person. That is why you need to develop a lot of awareness about the time. Now, many people are not aware, they get into fights, they get into misunderstanding. Now, there was a woman who was having a lot of problem with her marriage. I said, note down the time. It is Tuesday and Friday, you will be fighting often. In a majority of time, she went and checked it up and found consistently that it was Tuesday and Friday, especially for marriage, she was having a lot of problem. Now, I know one girl who used to tell me, I used to get hit on a Saturday by my mother consistently. I used to get frightened that Saturday was such a bad day across. So your mood swing, for example, there is called Ashtamesh Chandran. Whenever the moon travels to the 8th house from your natal moon, you are bound to have a lot of mood swing. That is why it's called as the Ashtamesh Chandran or Chandrashtamam across a person. But many people are not aware, and some of the old people are very aware, and they said, oh, today I'm going to have a Chandrashtamam, so I need to be careful. In fact, many Indians avoid the Chandrashtama dates to do a good thing across, which is very good, because what you start in a bad time is not going to be very, very successful across. So that is the most important thing. Therefore, it is very important that you understand the negative time influences your mind beyond your understanding, beyond your capacity to visualize it. But take note of it and use it. See the negative tithi. If you're having mood swing, be quiet, light the lamp, do ritual, do puja. That is how you can control the mind. The problem with the negative time is the more you talk, the more the problem will aggravate. And you feel like expressing yourself, resolving yourself, talking out, it is all not going to work. And also what went wrong, how it went wrong, the more you tend to analyze, the less you will understand as a person. So I humbly request you, at the end of the day, the video will be put across for what are the kind of tithis and what are the kind of mood swing days. In fact, the Panchanga talks about the positive days. Nobody talks about the negative days across a person. Now, this will help you to understand the negative days and the negative time. In fact, many times I felt Saturn Mars horror itself is very, very negative for many people across. So therefore it depends on the intensity of the time. If the intensity is very high with multiple factor pointing out to the direction, then people have mood swing. So basically you take the Tithi and see in that the various nakshatras, whether it is Das, whether it is a Saturn, Mars, Hora, combines together, you will get a very good idea. Of course, if you don't know, you can always come and learn the technique which I will teach you across. So it is much beyond the Freudian understanding of the time component, how time influences the memory and the mood of the person. Once you understand that, you will have a great respect for our tradition. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share this video. It will help a lot of people. Thank you.